Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. It is 2023 and today we're going to be kicking off this video by trying Catrice Cosmetics. So it is my very first time trying anything from Catrice Cosmetics. They've been sending over their makeup, so little PR packages that they've been sending over, and I've been accumulating quite a bit of their makeup that I just wanted to share with you guys my first impression. I tried to do a full face, but unfortunately I don't have all the products to create a full face, but I will be using a majority of Catrice Cosmetics in today's video. And I wanted to focus mainly on these foundations because they've just been staring at me. I have 3 different shades and I'm going to be showing you guys all 3 colors on my complexion, just in case you are shopping for a foundation. You guys are seeing it on my face right now. I will hold my thoughts, but how do I look? And also like a little eyeshadow tutorial. It's so minimal, and other products. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right in.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
I don't like having pimples, but I do like reviewing foundations when I do have breakouts and my acne marks, just to show you guys the coverage that the foundation provides. I have 3 shades in front of me and I'm going to be starting off with the color Deeply Rose. So Deeply Rose, I'm going to swatch it right here. That right there is the color Deeply Rose. The next color I'm going to swatch is called Warm Beige. And usually beige colors are the ones that I tend to reach for. This one is definitely lighter than I anticipated. We'll see if it oxidizes, but so far I think the first one is going to match me the best. And then the final color that I have is called Honey Beige. That one is definitely really light for me. You guys can see that this one has like the perfect undertone. I feel like I have a pink undertone to my skin color. I used to go for a yellow undertone. I don't know. Actually, this one could actually work out. What do you guys think? I might go with the one in the middle. No, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to go in with the color Deeply Rose. But first, I already have moisturizer on. I'm going to take the Hydro Grip Primer from Milk Makeup. Let's prime the skin. Yes, I am going through some horrible breakouts, and the ones on the neck hurt so much. Okay, perfect. I am wearing this foundation through the day, so I have to go in with some SPF. This is my favorite SPF. I'm seriously out of this already, and I hope they send me more. Which I don't, I'm always like promoting them. Hopefully they notice me, because I got this in probably an Ipsy box or a BoxyCharm. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it was Ipsy. But anyways, I'm going to have to replace that and spend my own money. I'm going to put some right over here, especially on my acne, because I don't want my acne to get any darker. I don't know what it is about my acne that really just happened during my adulthood. I want to say around the age of 26, 27 is when I started to break out a lot. But before that, like, my skin was so clear, so beautiful, and here we are in adulthood that just decided to happen to me. I'm considering switching over to clean beauty products so that I can see if that has anything to do with it, because I can't think of anything different that I've done. I've always wore makeup. Again, I'm going to go in with the color Deeply Rose. This is the one that I decided to use. I'm going to shake it up a little bit. I'm going to put it over to the back of my hand. I'm also going to take the Frankie Rose foundation brush. This one is the number 90, and I have a discount code if you guys are interested in it, because this foundation brush is everything. I also like their foundation, but we're going to see if we like this one better. Okay, so here are the pimples. See them? Let's see what kind of coverage we get. I still have quite a bit of foundation on the back of my hand, and I feel like I have really great coverage with this foundation. It's only $10. All right, let me go into the other side now with the rest of the foundation that we have. I think the undertone is great for my skin color. I struggle finding something that actually is true to my chest and also just to my complexion in general. Like, it feels weightless on my skin. I love the fact that the undertone is pretty much on point with me. Doesn't look cakey at all, and it's very hydrating. I do have combination skin. I have more of like oily T-zone, and then the perimeter of my face is more on the dry side. I do appreciate a hydrating foundation. This foundation contains niacinamide, which is known to bring in that moisture into your skin if you have dry skin. So I think it'll be a great foundation for somebody that struggles with really patchy, very dry looking skin. And a little goes a long way with this from what I'm seeing. All right, so now I have my foundation on. I'm going to pair it with the rest of my beauty products such as concealer, setting powder. I have to do my eyebrows off camera, apply some blush, and I'll come back with you guys and tell you how it's layering on. I just finished layering the rest of my beauty products, and I think that my foundation looks so good underneath all the powders that I just applied. So I went in with the Catrice Prime and Fine Mattifying Waterproof Setting Powder. It looks like this. You can carry it around in your purse. It has a mirror so you can look at yourself while you're touching up. I went in with this brush from Sigma. It is their F35 brush, and I just went on my under eye area after I applied my concealer. And I set the rest of my face in the areas where I tend to get really oily. It's like my cheek area, on my nose, and onto my forehead. So that is what I did, and I think that everything looks so beautiful. My skin looks so good. Now I want to move along to playing with some other beauty products from Catrice, because this is a brand that I feel needs more people talking about it, because it's very affordable. The foundation, again, is only $10, and look at this coverage. I'm going to move on to an eyeshadow tutorial using their 5-in-a-box mini eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. So we're going to be doing a neutral look with this combination that we have going on right here. These little mini eyeshadow palettes are only $6, and they have different varieties that you can choose from. This is the color scheme I really wanted to go for today, though, because it's, I don't know, we can create a beautiful smoky eye. Is that what I want to do? I guess we'll find out. For eyeshadow primer, I don't have one from Catrice, so I'm going to be using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance 24-Hour Eyeshadow Primer, and this has a blue light defense. I'm going to pick up this light shade right here, and I'm just going to brighten the inner part of my eye. We're going to go in here and just set what we just applied. For some reason, I want to do a wing liner today. I haven't done a wing liner in a minute. I always just do eyeshadow and then apply mascara, lashes, and call it a day, but I just feel like doing a wing liner. Once I've done that, I'm going to pick up the shade right next to it, which is this brown one right here. And with a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to be applying it to the outer corner very lightly, like so, and meeting halfway to where we apply that other previous eyeshadow. This color is really buildable, but I'm going in very lightly so that we don't have that intensity, because I just want it to look very soft at the outer edge right here. Now that we have created that softness with this fluffy brush, I'm going to take a more condensed brush, and I'm going to be going along the lash line. Actually, I'm going to do this one. This one's a little bit thinner than the other one. This is the Sigma E33 brush. And with the same exact eyeshadow that we just used, we're going to build up on this color. I want the intensity right at the lash line right here. I am noticing quite a bit of kickback inside of this, inside of the pan. So I'm trying to be as careful as possible so it doesn't fall onto our beautiful complexion that we just spent a lot of time on. Well, not really a lot of time, but you know what I'm saying. You see how it looks darker right here? It's because we are layering the color and it builds up so pretty. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and pick up this dark brown eyeshadow. And with a pencil brush, this one here is the Morphe Abby Roberts AB 31. AB315 eyeshadow brush. It looks like a little pencil like this. The bristles are very condensed. You guys can see that. But we're going to be taking that brown eyeshadow and just applying it along the lash line, kind of winging it out very lightly. I'm blending out the edges as much as possible. I'm going to go back into that light brown color and make sure that everything is blending out here. I'm also taking the pencil brush and applying that dark brown at the lower lash line. Now with my finger, I'm going to be grabbing this color right here, and I'm going to be applying it to the center of the lid like so, and to the brow bone. Applying it with my ring finger and then blending it out with my middle finger. I told you guys I wanted to do a wing liner and I haven't done it in a while, clearly because I kept going thicker and thicker, and here we are. Had to do my other eye off of camera. I went ahead and I applied some mascara, some lashes, and then we're just going to move along to playing with the last few items from Catrice Cosmetics. They sent over, let me show you. They sent over a bunch of lip liners and also a bunch of lip products. So we are going to be, I can't use all of them, obviously, but I'm going to pick my favorites and then let's put them on. I have selected the products that I'm going to be putting on my lips. So for the lip liner, I'm going to use the color, what is this color? Cosnova. Okay, we're going to do Cosnova. Ooh, this glides on so effortlessly. And then we're going to pair it up with this Catrice Ultimate Stay Water Fresh lip tint. I love a lip tint, okay? I hate reapplying lipstick if I don't have to. So lip tints are my absolute favorite. This is transfer proof, and it's in the color BFF. Okay, I don't know. Is it even applying? Did it do anything? Why does this look clear? Oh, okay, the lip liner is called Cheers to Life. Okay, I read the wrong part. This lip tint that I have on is BFF, like I said. And then this one, the gloss, is called Hot Plumper. So we're going to go in with Hot Plumper. Let's see what this does. Okay, I'm done. I love this look. I'm obsessed. But I'm going to go ahead and touch up with the powder just one last time. See, it's these areas that start to get really shiny, so we're just going to go in there with one last touch before we set the face. $10. $10 foundation. And now we're going to go into the Catrice Ultra Last Fixing Spray. This is transfer proof, waterproof, no alcohol, no perfume, setting spray. It's supposed to hold up your makeup up to 18 hours. This is what it claims. Fixing for extremely long lasting and waterproof makeup. It locks in makeup for up to 18 hours, confirmed by a Vivo study with 30 women for transfer proof results. Shake well before use and spray evenly with a distance of 30 centimeters from your face. Okay, shake well, shake well. Ooh. Whew. This shoots out straight to your, like, there was nothing gentle about this. You see this? Oh, I hope I didn't mess up anything. Let's let this dry out. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and do my hair off of camera, and I'm going to come back with you guys to show you the completed look. Okay, I'm going to change, and I'm going to do my hair, and then we'll be back. This is probably an hour since you guys last seen me. I did my hair and I was having a little dance party. I was picking out an outfit, and we're back. My makeup still looks absolutely beautiful. I love how the complexion is looking right now. My skin looks like skin, but with like full coverage. That's what I'm getting. And that completes today's review of some of these Catrice products, specifically the foundation, because that was my biggest temptation. I've been wanting to try that foundation. Again, it's only $10. I'm going to have the products that I did use in today's video linked down below, in which I really, really appreciate your support. I am a single mama raising 2 babies, and every purchase that you guys make supports me and my children. I also want to thank you for clicking on today's video. I hope that you have already subscribed. Turn on post notifications so that you get notified every single time that I do have a new video here on my channel. And I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Have you shopped with me yet? Go ahead and take a look. I have so many eyelashes, different styles to complement any occasion. I also sell eyelash glue. I have press-on nail sets that I hand paint with love myself. I sell press-on nail kits, which you can do your own DIY nails, or maybe you want to sell your own press-on nails. I have so much to offer on my website, so go ahead and visit www.soñadoraofficial.com.